Hey everyone, and welcome to the Shopespot Help Center. In today's video, we'll be looking at coupons, and this is a really cool item to have if you want to drive additional traffic and boost your revenue to your site. So, like with anything on Shopespot, it's absolutely easy to set up. So, let's get straight into it. First thing you'll do is log into your Shopespot dashboard, and you'll go to components, you'll come down to coupons, and you have two options here. So, the first thing is you can go in and view all the coupons that you've currently got. And as you can see, there's one currently here that says there's 10 Rand off, and this is the code. It tells you the type of rate which that coupon has attached to it from a value point of view, and it tells you that it's still active. If at any point in time you want to deactivate that, you'll just click on the green little dot and it'll deactivate it for you. Then the next option that you've got is to add a coupon, and you can either click on add a coupon to go into that, and it will take you in through to the section of the platform where you can actually go in and add that coupon. So you can see it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. It's fields that will guide you step by step. So what I'm going to do is, just to save us some time, we'll go into the coupon that's already existing, and I'll show you what that looks like. So, like with anything on Shopespot, when you see the notepad with a little pen, it's actually your edit button. So if we click on that, it'll take us into editing that entire makeup of that coupon. So the first thing you'll do when you're creating a new coupon, and also when you're editing it, you'll have the same fields. So the first thing you'll do is give it a title, and then you got the option to choose whether it's a flat rate. So is it a value, straight currency value that's off, or whether it's a percentage of what actually that item is. And then you can go and choose whatever that percentage is. In this case, we'll stick to a flat rate. And the code, which essentially is your promo code that somebody would use, you can decide exactly what you want that to be. It's a free text field, and you can put that in there. Then you can choose the validity period. So, because I mean, let's face it, we would like this to run for a specific period and not an open-ended period. And then you would choose the date and the time that it would start, and the date and the time that it would end. So, pretty straightforward. And then you can also have the option to say, is there a minimum price that somebody would need to spend if they were to qualify to use this. And you can choose either yes or no. So if you choose yes, you'll need to put in the minimum value that somebody would need to use. If you choose no, that field goes away and it doesn't really apply to this. So let's just keep it as yes and let's say, hey, you've got to spend a minimum of 100 to qualify for 10 off, and that could equate to also 10% if you want to go for the percentage. Then you gotta input the total number of these coupons that you want to be circulated out there. If you don't put in a value here, it will be unlimited to a certain extent. And obviously, there's a little hint here that tells you, hey, if you don't enter a value, it'll be treated as unlimited. And here, if you want to limit it to say, hey, it's such a crazy deal, there's only one per customer, this is where you'll go and add that in. And there's also a little hint here saying you need to put a value in, and if you don't, it'll be treated as unlimited. Then you could decide whether you want to have it to all the users that you currently have available, all your clients, or selected clients, in which case you can actually go in and select all of the people that has already created profiles and purchased from your store, and that type of thing. And let's just say we want it to go to all, and if this only applies to a specific category from your product range, then you can actually go in and select which categories those belong to. By simply doing that, clicking on that, and you can add multiple categories and stuff here as well. If you say, hey, this shouldn't be in there, you can actually just click on X and delete that, and that will take care of that for you. So let's just go ahead and say, hey, we want these guys to get that 10 off on everything that we have. And similarly, from a category point of view, you can also say, hey, it's only on selected products, and you could add whichever products you want it to apply to, and Shopespot's AI will take care of all of that for you. Then, if there are terms and conditions to any product or category or any of the coupons that you are putting out there, this is where you'll detail that quite nicely. And if you want to send an email reminder to users to say, we have this available, use this offer, um, the system will automatically do that for you. So all you do is switch that on to active, and the email reminders will be taken care of by Shopespot automatically. At any time, if you decide this actually is not going to be hitting the market right now, you can just switch that off by making it inactive. And you could actually just save and fire off emails to everybody based on what you've selected above here. Or you could just update it and then start marketing that out to your customer base at your own leisure. So just to give you an idea, if somebody is on your store and they got a product when they're at the cart, this is where they'll enter the code. And once they hit apply, it'll automatically do the necessary calculations here, and they'll proceed to purchase, and Bob's your uncle. So that's basically it from a coupon perspective for today. As you can see, absolutely easy, like with everything on the Shopespot platform. Don't forget to subscribe for further updates and like and share this video. And yeah, thanks for watching.